The car's a fastback, and we wanted this sort of recognition that it's a fastback when we sat in the car. So we have these two leather spars, and they have a sense of focusing your attention. This is reinforced by this band of wood that runs around, almost as if you're the arrow sat within a bow waiting to be fired, and this sense of urgency and dynamic. It all pulls your attention to where the car is going.
Where we've gone more contemporary is with the Canadell panelling. It's an open pore wood finish, so you don't have the lacquer on the veneer, so you can get very much a tactile feel of the grain. You feel very much more connected with the material. Down the centre line of the vehicle, we've got a beautiful book match that allows the grain on one side of the car to mirror on the other side of the car.
It also creates a sort of marvellous sense of cocooning and safety at the same time. What we've tried to do with the leather in Wraith is keep it as unfussy and as clean as possible, as seamless as possible.
When you touch the surface of the leather we'll use on Wraith, we want you to feel the suppleness of the leather itself. Staying true to the whole ethos of Royce, that you engineer for the customer what the customer needs, and then you try to make sure that is the very, very best of material that you can get your hands on, and that's what we do.
There's always this nervousness if somebody with a two-door car offers you a lift. You expect to step into the back, into a compromised situation. Well, we don't do that. We keep going. So there's a sense that when you're in the back of this car, the indulgence continues. Comfort starts with the perfect position of the steering wheel, your sense of confidence, the sense of effortlessness, the position of the pedals and so on. And in this, we're absolutely uncompromising. There are some little indulgences. In the center of the car, the rotary controller is a little bit lavish. It's a crystal glass surface which allows people to enter things like addresses and telephone numbers by scribing with the finger. What for me is important, vitally important, is the promise of the exterior is delivered as a reality in the interior of the car. After all, one spends most of the time with a car